Welcome to Revosa's system. Please like, share, and subscribe on this channel. Are you frustrated with your Windows 11 PC slowing down, lagging during simple tasks, or freezing up at the worst moments? You're not alone. Many users upgrading to or running Windows 11 experience these performance issues, especially on older hardware or systems cluttered with unnecessary files and programs. The good news is that most lagging and freezing problems can be fixed with some straightforward optimization tweaks. No need for advanced tech skills or expensive upgrades. In this beginner-friendly guide, we'll dive deep into why Windows 11 might be lagging or freezing and provide step-by-step optimization tips to get your system running smoothly again. Whether you're a casual user browsing the web, a student juggling assignments, or a professional handling work apps, these tips are designed to be easy to follow. We'll cover everything from basic maintenance to more targeted fixes, all optimized for search engines so you can find this help when you need it most. Let's turn that sluggish PC into a speedy machine. If you wish, you can also read the complete article on our website. Let's get started.
First, open Settings. Click Windows Update. Install any available ones, including optional updates for drivers. Restart your PC after installation. Now right-click your Start button. Click Device Manager. Open your speaker section. Right-click your speaker, update driver, and click Search automatically, and your driver updating start. After update your speaker driver, to update your Wi-Fi driver. Again, click Update Driver. Click Search automatically equals, and your Wi-Fi driver automatically update. Now open Display Adapter section and right-click your graphics card and click Update Driver. Click Search automatically, and your graphics driver automatically update. Now right-click your navbar and click Task Manager. After clicking Task Manager, to click Startup Apps. Look at the Startup Impact column. Disable high-impact items like Adobe Creative Cloud, Spotify, or unnecessary antivirus extras by right-clicking and selecting Disable. Now taskbar in Search Disk Cleaner. Click OK. Now mark these all boxes. Click OK and click Delete Files. This can free up gigabytes. Now open Settings. Click Apps. And click Installed Apps. Sort by size and uninstall bloatware like pre-installed games or trials. Now search Microsoft Store. Click on it. And search for Microsoft PC Manager. Now click on it. And install this. I have already installed, so I open it. Click Boost and your PC speed boosts this. After speed boost, click Storage on the sidebar. And click Scan, and this is Scan your PC. After scanning, check all boxes and click Proceed. And this is Clean your PC. After cleaning, click Done and restart your PC. Now search for optimized drivers and click on it. Select your C drive and click Optimize, and this is Optimize your drive. After Optimize, search for Windows Security. Click Virus and Threat Protection. Scan option. Click Full Scan. This is Scan your complete PC and see result. Now open your any web browser and search for Malwarebytes download. Click First Official Website and download this software here. This is a free antivirus software. Now search for Adjust Virtual Effects. Adjust this related virtual effects. Now, what do you like this video? If you like to share and subscribe this channel.